Good morning, class 6A. We are doing active and passive voice. We have now reached exercise C. On the last turn, we had discussed question number 1 to 10 from exercise C. You already have written the answers for question number 11 to 15, but we will now mark the tenses for it. If you know the answer, please raise your hand. Otherwise, do not unmute your mic. A strike was called by the workers to protest against their low wages. A strike was called. This shows which tense is this? Darsh Pratap, what is the tense of this sentence? I am sure I am audible to all. Afan? Are you able to listen to me, children? Can you just confirm?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So what shall be the tense for this sentence?
Ma'am, may I?
Yes.
Ma'am, simple past.
This is simple past. And how do you identify this? We can identify this with the help of helping verb. Was. Was means simple past, singular form. Okay. So you are not writing singular and plural. So just write down simple past. And the answer is the workers called a strike to protest against their low wages. This is the active form of the sentence. Question number 12. This year, the decorations for Ganesh Chaturthi were done by the people of the locality. Now it says were and done. What is the tense of this sentence? Come on. This is so easy. People can raise hand and answer. Come on. Ayush, Ansh.
Ma'am, may I answer?
Okay. Speak up, Advika.
Ma'am, may I answer?
Yes, speak. I can listen to you.
Ma'am, Advika here. Ma'am, the tense will be for this sentence, ma'am, simple past tense.
It is simple past because were is written and done. Verb is in the third form. Okay. Now the answer is this is simple past, and the answer is this year, comma, the people of the locality did the decorations for Ganesh Chaturthi. I am sure you have written the answer by looking into the notes provided to you. Question number 13 anyways. During the Chipko movement, the trees were protected by women. During the Chipko movement, the trees were protected by women. Now this becomes clear with the helping verb. What is the tense of this sentence? And Vedam, can you tell us what is the tense? Vedam, Shreyansh Puri or Shreyansh Prakhar, any one of you? Those who have already answered will not tell this.
Ma'am,
Varshia is here.
Past.
ma'am, can I
Yes.
tell? Ma'am, simple
Okay,
past.
Daniel.
Ma'am, simple past.
Okay, this is simple past because were protected is written. Now the answer is during the Chipko movement, comma, women protected the trees. This is also simple past. Question number 14. In many households in India, most of the housework is shared by the family members. The answer is in many households in India, comma, the family members share most of the housework. Now, what is the tense of this sentence? It is written, most of the housework is shared. It is written, is shared. Come on, who is going to tell this to me? Yes, children. Shreya Agarwal, try it out.
Ma'am,
Why are
present
people not raising hand? Are you not getting my voice? Is my voice not reaching you properly? Yes, Shreya Agarwal.
Yes, ma'am. Present continuous.
Uh, it is written, most of the housework is shared by the family members. It is not written is being shared. Now, when we write BEING, then only it is continuous tense. For now, this is simple present. Simple present. We are towards the end of the chapter, children, and if you are still not able to identify the tenses, you need to revise the chapter tenses and verbs properly. In many households in India, the family members share most of the housework. Simple present. Question number 15. Women are still not treated well by men in many homes across India. Women are. What does this suggest? What tense is this? Isha, what tense is this? Ayush Dubey, Korshia,
Can I tell?
yes, Shreyansh.
Ma'am, simple present tense.
This is simple present tense because BEING is not written. Although is, am, are will be there, but if BEING is also there, then you write continuous, otherwise it is simple present. Fazal, Abhinav, people, this is almost 10 minutes past the class has started. Ibrahim Nasir, almost 10 minutes past the class has started. And I will not mark your present if I don't see you people not coming on time. Women are still not treated well by men in many homes across India. This is simple present. Kindly mute your mic to avoid any confusion. The answer is men still do not treat women well in many homes across India. Men still do not treat women in many homes across India. That's it for this exercise. I think I have told you to copy down exercise D questions. Did I tell you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So all those who have written
Yes,
this,
ma'am.
all those who have written this exercise in their fair copy can directly write the answers. For those who have not yet copied the question, will do the answers directly in the fair copy. They will leave 2 lines each for the question and you can copy the question later on. But everybody will write the answers in the fair copy just now. Now there are some errors in this sentence, in the sentences. They are not asking you to change active into passive or passive into active, but there are some errors in it. You will have to remove those errors and rewrite the sentence without changing the voice. You will not change the voice. Passive will remain passive only, active will remain active only, but you will have to rectify the errors. You will have to clear up the errors. The following sentences are in passive voice. So they're telling you all of them are in passive voice. You don't have to change them in the active voice. Spot the errors and correct them. We have to rectify the errors. We have to find out the errors and we have to rewrite the sentence with the corrections. I'm sure the question is clear to all of you. The thieves have arrested by the police. How will you change it? Now, because have is already written, how will you change this? Yes, children. Afan?
Yes, ma'am.
Adhika? Yes, Afan. What tense is this? First of all,
Ma'am, the tense is simple past.
have is written. How is this simple past?
Can I tell?
Yes.
May I tell?
I'm present perfect.
Ma'am, this is present perfect.
Okay, fine. Wait, one by one. Shreyansh, if you say this is present perfect, now BEE and been is not there. Now tell me how will you correct the sentence? इसमें क्या ऐड करेंगे कि ये सेंटेंस करेक्ट सेंटेंस बन जाएगा?
The thieves have been arrested by the police.
Very good. Now children, what will you do? If you say that this is present perfect, that means BEEN has to be there. Where will you write been? You will write been just after helping verb. So the sentence becomes, the thieves have been arrested by the police. The thieves have been arrested by the police. I hope you have understood what to do in this exercise. Second one, he has invited to their party. Come on. Who will tell this to me? Ayush, Darsh, Fazal. Come on. Who will tell this exercise? Isha? At least give it a try, children. I did this exercise in the other section and they were so excited, so very excited to do this exercise. Isha, can you tell this? Can you try this out?
Yes, ma'am.
Hmm.
Ma'am, is this present perfect?
Okay, if you say this is present perfect, what changes will you make?
Yes, ma'am. He has been invited to their party.
Simple. If you say this is present perfect, change it into change it into present perfect. How will you change this into present perfect? He has been, B-E-E-N. He has been invited to their party. He has been invited to their party. Full stop. Present perfect. Question number 3. If you don't raise your hand on your own, I am going to pick and choose you. Next, Vedam, try out the third one. Azam, try out the third one. All those who have joined just now have missed out everything from the beginning of this chapter, of this exercise, sorry. Who's going to tell this to me? Advika? Radhika, taught by the famous Professor Shinde. What are the changes that you will make to make this a correct sentence? What tense do you think this will be?
Ma'am, Advika, yeah, ma'am. Radhika taught by the famous processor Shidi. Ma'am, it is simple past
Shinde.
tense.
It is written Shinde. Yes. What tense is
And ma'am,
this?
it is simple past tense. Simple past
Okay.
tense, ma'am.
Now, if it is simple past, what changes will you make?
Ma'am, Radhika was taught by the famous processor Shinde.
Very good. Radhika was taught by the famous Professor Shinde. Write the answer, children. Radhika was taught by the famous Professor Shinde. All those who have joined the call after I have called them, is this the way that you come to the class? Is this what your dedication is? This is how you will join just 3 weeks before the final exams. People are sleeping, people are dreaming. Where were you?
Ma'am,
When I send the message right on time that we will follow Thursday now children, for the second, third, fourth period also, you will have to follow Thursday's timetable today. Because of the senior classes, we are following one timetable in 2 weeks and it is repeated, each day is repeated for 2 days. So for today and tomorrow, we will follow Thursday. For Wednesday, Thursday, we will follow Friday's timetable TT1 and for Friday, Saturday, we will follow again TT1, Saturday's timetable. So please make sure I will let you know which timetable to be followed on which date and you come to the class accordingly. Next, question number 4. The car fixed by the mechanic. Who's going to tell this?
ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am,
Yes, Afan.
the car by the mechanic. Ma'am, the tense is simple past.
Okay, if this is simple past, how will you rectify this?
The car was fixed by the
Hmm?
mechanic.
Very good. The car was fixed by the mechanic. Write the answer. The car was fixed by the mechanic. Full stop. The car was fixed by the mechanic. Question number 5. The books delivered at your address.
Ma'am, may
Ma'am,
I?
may I?
Ma'am, may
Ayush.
I, Isha?
Ayush, I told you to raise your hand, then hundreds of you will turn on your mic and you will start shouting. This is not the way. Yes, Ayush Dubey.
Yes, ma'am. The books were delivered at your address. Ma'am, this is simple past tense.
Okay, now this can be simple past also, and we can change the tense also. Now see, if you write the books will be delivered. If you write will be, what will it become? Which tense?
Ma'am, simple future tense.
Very good. Now write this sentence in simple future. Now this is in our hands. ये हमारी choice है. If you want to keep it simple past or if you want to make it simple future. Let's try out one sentence with simple future because we have not done any. The books will be delivered at your address. The books will be delivered at your address. So this is how it becomes simple future. Question number 6. Their invitation accepted with pleasure. Yes, who's going to tell this? Come on, children.
Ma'am, may I?
Yes, speak up.
Ma'am, their invitation, ma'am, Advika, yeah, ma'am, their invitation accepted with pleasure. So, ma'am, this is simple past tense, and their
Okay.
invitation, ma'am, the correction will be their invitation was accepted with pleasure.
Okay, fine. Very good. Their invitation was, THEIR, their invitation was accepted with pleasure. Write the answer. Their invitation was accepted with pleasure. Simple past. Yes, Afan.
Ma'am,
Hmm.
in the section, it is written their invitation accepted with pleasure. Ma'am,
Hmm.
can it be into simple future with writing,
Their
ma'am, their
invitation will be
invitation?
accepted. Yes, yes. In this exercise, the choice is yours. If you feel like that it can be converted into any other tense also, you can do that. Are you getting me? So
Yes.
whatever tense you choose, accordingly you will change the sentence. Their invitation will be accepted with pleasure is also correct. Their invitation is accepted with pleasure, simple present, this is also correct. Their invitation was accepted with pleasure, this is also correct. That means it can be changed into any three. Okay? Now, since we have time, you can also do exercise E. Page number 128, exercise E. Change the voice in each of these sentences. Now, this is also going to be very interesting. Have I told you to do a question from this exercise? No.
No, ma'am.
To copy the questions? No, anyways. So I will give you time today to copy the questions. Anyways, you can read out the questions from the book and write the answers directly in the notebook. You first have to find out if it is active or passive. If it is active, you will have to change it into passive. If it is passive, you will have to change it into active. So this is how we are going to do it. Change the voice in each of these sentences. There are some children who have joined after I have called them from Skype. Please make sure whatever is happening in the class on the group, kindly stay connected so that you know you've missed out the whole 20 minutes of the first period. Anyways, change the voice in each of these sentences. Copy down the first question. And meanwhile, quickly raise your hand. How will you change it?
May I?
Yes?
Ma'am,
Ma'am, may I
yes,
tell?
ma'am. Priya made dosas and idlis. Ma'am, the
Okay.
sentence is active.
Okay. Supriya made dosas and idlis. In the bracket, write down active, comma, simple past. Active, comma, simple past. Active, comma, simple past. Okay. Now this is the question. You have written the question. You have written this is active sentence and you have also written that this is simple past tense. Now let us try to do how are you going to change it. Dosas and idlis, because this is simple past, dosas and idlis were made by Supriya. Dosas and idlis were made by Supriya. Has everyone written this?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. If you think you will not be able to copy the question, you can leave 2 lines for the question. Check out the question from the book and write the answers. Later on, you can complete by writing the questions. The government has built new houses for the less privileged. Who's going to tell this? It is written has.
May I? Ayush Dubey.
Yes, Ayush. Yes, Ayush. Very good.
Yeah,
Tell
yes,
me
ma'am.
if this is active or passive.
Ma'am, it will be passive.
No, my dear. Do you see by written? No,
Active.
by is not written. It means this sentence is active sentence. So this is active. What is the tense?
Ma'am, ma'am, simple past. Sorry,
Can
ma'am.
you see
Simple present,
HAS?
present.
This is present perfect. Don't get confused. Try it out properly. This is active, present perfect. Active, present perfect. Now change the sentence. Change this into passive voice.
Yes, ma'am. New houses for the less privileged has built by the government.
Now if this is present perfect, BEEN been has to be there. The answer will be new houses for the
Uh,
less
less.
privileged. Write the answer. New houses for the less privileged have been built. HAVE, have. Why has changed into have? Because houses is plural. Houses is plural. New houses for the less privileged have been built by the government. Have been built by the government. Question number 3. The managing director offered him a job. First, tell me if this is active or passive.
Ma'am, may I, Afan?
Okay.
The managing director offered him a job. Ma'am, the sentence is
Offered him
active.
a job.
Ma'am,
This is active or passive?
active.
Okay, this is active sentence, comma. What is the tense?
Ma'am, simple past.
Okay, this is simple past. This is step 1. Active or passive? Active. Step 2. What is the tense? Simple past. Step 3. Change the sentence.
A job was offered to him by the managing director.
Very good. A job was offered to him by the managing director. Full stop. Ryan Hassan, were you sleeping? A job
No, ma'am.
was offered to him by the managing director. Full stop. Question number 4. Nelson Mandela
Ma'am,
was welcomed by, by is written, by Abel Tasman. Come on. Step number
May I
1. This
tell?
is active or passive.
May I tell?
Yes, yes, Advika.
Ma'am, this is passive.
Very good. This is passive. It means you have to change this into active. Now, step number 1 is this is passive sentence. What is the step? What is second step? To find out the tense. What is the tense of this sentence?
Ma'am, simple past tense.
Okay, very nice. This is simple past because was welcomed is written. This is passive, comma, simple past. Now, how will you change this into active?
Ma'am, the active sentence for this is, ma'am, people
Nelson
welcomed
Mandela's
Nelson.
people, Nelson Mandela's people welcomed him. This is how we will change this into active. Write the answer, everybody. Nelson Mandela's people, Mandela apostrophe S. Okay, Mandela, Mandela apostrophe S. I hope you know who was Nelson Mandela.
Yes, ma'am.
Remember
Yes, ma'am.
apartheid? Remember the apartheid era in South Africa?
Yes, ma'am. We have read about him in
We have
social.
read about him in civics, right? Okay. Nelson Mandela's people welcomed him. Welcomed, COMED. Welcomed him. Nelson Mandela's people welcomed him. First stop. This is how it is in active voice now. Question number 5. Tasmania. Tasmania, name of a place. Tasmania was discovered by Abel Tasman. Tasmania was discovered by Abel Tasman. Who will tell me? It is written by Abel Tasman. Is this active or passive? Waiting for your response, everybody.
Ma'am, may
Can I
I?
tell?
No,
Ma'am, can I
somebody
tell?
else.
May I tell?
Ma'am, can I?
Okay, wait a minute. Ayush has also answered. Shreyansh has also answered. Somebody who has not yet answered. Azam, can you just tell if this is active or passive?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I'm not sure, but ma'am, I think it
Why
is
are you
passive.
not sure? By is written. How you are
Ma'am,
not sure? First of all, tell this to me. It is
ma'am, this is
written
passive.
by. It means this is a,
Passive.
yes, this is a passive sentence. So children, in the bracket write down passive, comma. Step 2. What is the tense? Was is written. What is the tense?
Ma'am, simple past.
Simple past. Now, are you sure? Are you
Yes, ma'am.
confirmed now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Do not speak in between others. Do not speak in between. Yes, Azam. How are you change this into active voice? Yes, Azam. Able
Ma'am,
Tasman.
Abel Tasman discovered Tasmania.
Okay, very nice, correct. Yes, Abel Tasman discovered Tasmania. That's it. Very simple. This is now in active voice. Abel Tasman discovered Tasmania. In the bracket, write down active. This is now in active voice. Question number 6. Ryan, read out the sentence.
Yes, ma'am. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar is greatly respected by all Indians.
Okay, now you tell me the first step, if this is active or passive. I hope you have kept rules open in front of you. Everybody, please keep the rules page. I've given you rules notes, no? On the first day, keep that open in front of you so that you can do this exercise. This is active or passive?
Ma'am, passive.
Okay. Step number 2, what is the tense? It is
Ma'am,
written Dr. B.R. Ambedkar is greatly respected. Come on. Yes, Ryan, what is the tense?
ma'am, simple past.
Do you have is in past tense? Is. Tell me. Children, this is disappointing. Don't you know is used in the present tense? Is, am, are is used in the present tense?
Yes, ma'am.
Present
So,
continuous.
how come you are so confused? Again, you are saying simple past. This is simple present. This is simple. Repeat. This is simple
Present.
present. This is simple present. Okay. Ayush, will you try changing this sentence? It will begin with all Indians.
Yes, ma'am.
Hmm.
Indians greatly respected Dr. B.R. Ambedkar.
Now see, if you write respected, it will change into past tense. It has to remain into simple present. So respected nahi hoga, respect hoga. Okay? Write the answer. All Indians greatly respect Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. All Indians greatly respect Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. All Indians greatly respect Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Question number 7. The mud houses are being built by volunteers. Isha, is this active or passive?
Ma'am, may I?
Are you Isha?
Ma'am, this is passive.
Okay, this is passive. What is the tense? It is written are being.
Ma'am, this is present continuous.
Very good. This is present continuous. By checking out the helping verb and checking out the special word, we can find out what is the tense. So this is present continuous. So Isha, how will you change it? The sentence will begin with volunteers because this is the subject.
Ma'am, volunteers are building the mud houses.
Very good. Volunteers are building. Write the answer, children. Volunteers, check the spelling properly. Volunteers are building the mud houses. Volunteers are building the mud houses. Aaron Khanna, is this the time to join the class? Question number 8. Many meaningful films have been directed by good directors. Okay. Many meaningful films have been, it is written have been directed by good directors. Zidane. What is this, active or passive? Zidane, are you there? Children, if you do not respond at your name's call, you cannot be marked present. Yes.
Ma'am, can you repeat the question?
The question. Do you not have a book with you, beta? It is page number 128, question number E8. Question number E8. Many meaningful films have been, HAVE, have BEEN, been directed by good directors.
Ma'am, can ma'am,
Okay.
May I?
ma'am, it is passive.
It
Ma'am,
is
it is
passive. Okay, fine, Aaron. This is passive because by is written. Second point, step number 2. What is the tense of this sentence? It is written have been.
Ma'am, present perfect.
Okay, this is present perfect. Fine. How will you change this? It will begin with good directors. Can you tell me the active sentence for this? Anybody else? Ryan? Yes. Yes, Aaron?
Ma'am,
Do you
may I
want to
tell?
answer? Yes, Advika?
Ma'am, good directors have directed many meaningful films, ma'am.
Very
Ma'am,
good.
active.
Good directors. Nice. Good directors have, HAVE, have directed many meaningful films. Good directors have directed many meaningful films. That's it. Question number 9. The dog ate all the biscuits.
Ma'am, may I
The
tell?
dog ate all the biscuits. Yes. Is this active or passive?
Ma'am, this is active.
Okay. First step. This is active, comma. What is the tense?
Ma'am, simple past.
Very nice. It is written ATE, ate. Verb is in the past tense. First form is EAT, eat. Second form is ate. And third form is eaten. So it is written ate. This means this is simple past. So this is active and this is simple past. Write the answer. All the biscuits were eaten. All the biscuits were eaten by the dog. All the biscuits were eaten by the dog. Full stop. Question number 10. Throughout his career, Roald Dahl wrote many interesting stories. Roald Dahl was an American author and he has written many stories for the children. Some of these are used as English literature chapters also. Anyways, throughout his career, Roald Dahl wrote many interesting stories. So children, this is active.
Ma'am, may I tell the sentence?
Okay,
Ma'am,
yes, please tell the sentence.
Ma'am, simple past tense.
Simple past. Okay, fine. It is active and this is simple past.
Ma'am, can I
Write the
also tell
answer,
the
quickly.
Can I tell the sentence?
Ma'am, can I tell the sentence? Ma'am, please.
Just a minute. Let me see who all are wanting to tell the sentence. Aaron has already told one answer. Anybody else? Darsh Pratap, Ibrahim Nasir? Give it a try. Don't be a showpiece, right? The answer is throughout his career, comma. Write the answer, children. Throughout his career, comma. Many interesting stories were written by Roald Dahl. Many interesting stories were written by W-E-R-E, were W-R-I-T-T-E-N, written by Roald, R-O-A-L-D, Roald Dahl, full stop. So with this, we come to the end of this exercise as well as your English grammar syllabus also. Start revising. We will be having the revision in the class very soon. Thank you so much for joining.